Today we'll see a question on HEM. The question says there are 5 hobby clubs in a college. These clubs are photography, yachting, chess, electronics, and gardening. So these are 5 clubs, and these clubs have been meeting on a particular day. For example, gardening group meets every second day. The electronic group meets every third day, and so on. So the question is, how many times do all 5 group meets on same day within 180 days? So whenever you are getting question of this type, it can be solved by using SGM. And here the answer is option A, 3. Now we'll see how we have come to this solution. So these are the days groups are meeting. That is second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. And when we take LCM, it is 60. So that means on 60th day, all 5 groups will meet. So in 180 days, how many times they'll meet? 180 divided by 60, 3 times. So that means they're meeting on 60th day, 120th day, and 180th day. So the answer is 3 times they'll meet, and that is our option A.